1, 2, 3. It's open for business!
This is a new electric avenue. We started a pilot a few years ago at Portland State University to create a hub for public charging infrastructure, and that worked really well. We were able to monitor usage of the folks who parked up there, but because of expansion at PSU, we had the opportunity to move Electric Avenue in front of the World Trade Center. Public charging infrastructure is essential to our customers, and that's why we're making this commitment.
We had about 30 days to complete this project. From the time we had all the permissions and all the approvals to be able to go forward with this project, we had less than 30 days to complete the project. But all the workers worked really hard to make it happen, and so that was a big plus. We had really dedicated people behind the project. With any project, there are a lot of surprises, there are a lot of challenges. You hear it all the time when people are working on projects about hitting a brick wall. Well, we literally hit a brick wall. We dug into the ground where the foundations for the charging stations were going to be, and there was an old foundation of a building that was here before that was about 2 feet thick. But just like with any other obstacles that we came across, we barreled through that and we moved on. So besides what you see on the street, there's a lot behind here. So there's conduit that goes down into the ground, that goes into the parking garage, and that goes all the way through the World Trade Center to the main electric panels. So there's a lot of conduit, a lot of wire had to be pulled. So we had electricians with big spools of wire tugging and pulling, trying to get this wire through the conduit. We had over 40 people working on this project, and we didn't have any lost time accidents, so that was great. All in all, it was a very safe project. Everybody went home every day, same as when they came to work. There were originally 2 charging spots here and 2 places for parking for anybody. So now we have 6 places for electric cars and 2 places still for anybody else to park.
Well, I think it's just very exciting. It's just the beginning of a movement that I think will really be our future. Clean transportation, clean fuels, I think this is what customers want and the environment needs, and so we're excited, so come on down.